Alright, welcome to the video 8-7, Measures of Time. And in your Cornell notes, make sure that you have the date. It is 2/13/14. And you're also going to choose your level of understanding. So in your Cornell notes, have 1 through 5 there so that you can choose that. Here's the title. 8-7 Measures of Time. If you need to pause it so you can write these things down, you can. And then in your summary, you'll be answering this question. How is elapsed time calculated? Elapsed means time that has passed. So if it takes you 20 minutes to run a lap, then that's how much time it took. That's elapsed time. So the first few problems that we're going to do is adding time. And when you add minutes together, which is what we have here, you have to think about groups of 60. Everything, all your hours are groups of 60 minutes. And then the minutes that you have in your answer just left over. Those were the ones that didn't make enough minutes to make an hour. So let's add these together first. Just add like normal. You can add 52 plus 30. It's super simple. That's 82 minutes. And then the hours is 23 plus 15. That's 38 hours. Now remember, we're thinking about groups of 60 because it takes 60 minutes to make an hour. So let's take out 60 minutes from this answer and transfer it over here to the hours. How much time will you have left? Here's what we started with, 82 minutes minus 60 minutes that we're going to move over to the hours, and that leaves us with 22 minutes. Okay, so we moved an hour over here, so now that's 39 hours and 22 minutes. That's our final answer. Okay, let's look at number 2. I have to keep thinking about groups of 60. All right, number 2. We have seconds. Same thing, 60 seconds is 1 minute. Add 14 seconds plus 50 seconds, and that's 64 seconds. It's okay for now. Just leave it. And then the minutes. Let's add the minutes together. That's 49 minutes. All right, so we want to take 60 seconds out of here and regroup it into the minutes. Okay, so 64 seconds minus the 60 that we're going to regroup, and we're going to move to here. That leaves us with 4 seconds. Okay, and then that minute that you moved over here, just add it on. So now you have 50 minutes and 4 seconds. Okay, there's your answer. Alright, that was adding. Let's do some more adding. Let's go to number 5. Now we have hours, minutes, and seconds. So just add everything together. These problems need to be in your notes. Okay, so we have thinking about groups of 60s again. You have 62 seconds. That's over a minute. How much over a minute is that? 62 seconds is 2 seconds over a minute. Okay, I'm just going to subtract that here so you can see what I did in my head. Okay, so we're left with 2 seconds. The 2 seconds is the leftovers. And then that 1 minute from here, we're going to add it on to the minutes. So it's 71 minutes plus the 1 minute that you transferred. That makes 72 minutes. Uh-oh. That is over 60 minutes. Remember, we're thinking about groups of 60. So let's take out the 1 hour that's in these minutes and transfer it to the 31 hours. How many will you have left over? 72 minutes, which is too big, minus the 60 minutes. That leaves us with 12 minutes. And then the hour that you subtracted, that you took out, add it right here. 31 hours is now going to be 32 hours. And there's your answer. Okay, you're just shifting your 60s over. Okay, let's look at number 6. Let's add the seconds together. 87 seconds, 6 minutes, and this is 11 hours. Okay, do we see some groups of 60 that we can take out? Right here, 87 seconds is over 60. By how many? You come over here and you subtract that. That is 27 seconds over a minute. So let's take that minute that it's over and add it on to here. Okay. And the seconds that were leftovers, we'll go right here, 27 seconds. And then you had 6 minutes plus the 1 minute that you took out of the seconds. That makes 7 minutes. And then there wasn't any regrouping to do with the hours. It's just 11 hours. Okay. 2 more addition problems. 39 plus 8 plus 11. So that's 17, 18, and then 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 58 seconds. Sometimes my S's look like 5s. Okay, now let's add our minutes together. That makes 70 minutes. And then the hours, 9 hours. Okay, we don't have any regrouping to do with the seconds. That's under 60 seconds, so that can stay. But let's look at the minutes. That says 70 minutes. How much over 60 is that? You should be able to do that in your head. This is what you're doing in your head. That is 10 minutes over an hour. So take out that 60 minutes and rewrite it as an hour. And then here's your leftover minutes. 10 minutes. And then the 9 hours plus that 1 that you took from the minutes makes 10 hours. Okay, so our answer is 10 hours, 10 minutes, and 58 seconds. This is the last addition problem. Okay, 47 plus 52. So that makes 99 seconds. And then 5 plus nothing is 5 hours. Well, 99 seconds, that's way over a minute. 60 seconds is a minute, and we have 99 seconds. So let's see how much over that is. That is 39 seconds more than a minute. Well, let's take out that minute, and we'll bring it over here. Ooh-wee, hold on. These are hours and these are seconds, so we're not going to take that all the way to the hours. We're going to take it to the minutes. Okay, so we're left with 39 seconds, and then that 1 minute that we had to take from the seconds is going to go here. That got a little bit tricky, and then the 5 hours stays the same. So there's your addition problems.